Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable new followers notifications in X. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable new followers notifications in X. If you want to stay informed and engaged with your growing community, this video is for you. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. As the app opens, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Look for and tap on Push Notifications. By selecting this option, you'll be able to manage the notifications that X sends to your device. Step 7. Finally, enable new followers by either toggling the switch or selecting the appropriate option. This will ensure that you receive notifications whenever someone new follows you. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled new followers notifications in X, allowing you to stay connected and engaged with your growing community. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be enhanced by the notifications of new followers and the connections that await you.